Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kankana's Health Forum. In my channel, I'm always trying to give new knowledges about health. If you are from a medical field, then it's very good that you can learn something new. And if you're not from medical field also, you can upgrade your knowledge. And share these informations to your friends and family, and don't do gossip. Rather than that, you can learn together, you can talk about all this topic, and you can learn something new every day. So without any further delay, let's start our video. So today, let's know about Assam Arogya Nidhi. So what is that? Assam Arogya Nidhi, it is a scheme that is initiated by government of Assam. So now the question is, what does its scheme do? Means how it will be helpful for the people, those who will apply for this scheme, and who can apply for this scheme. So first of all, this is a scheme which provide financial assistance to the below poverty line family, and the families those monthly income are less than 10,000. Now the question will arise that how much amount of money is given by the government to those type of families. So it will be 1.50 lakhs money you are getting from the government. So 1.50 lakhs amount of money you are getting from the government. Why? Not for your enjoyment, or not for any wedding, or not for traveling and all, but this money you can use for your treatment, for your any kind of health related issues, or any kind of major diseases that you are facing. So what are the diseases that will cover this scheme? So diseases are cancer, heart diseases, bone marrow transplant, then thalassemia, kidney and urinary diseases, AIDS, and if your family member is suffering from any kind of chronic mental illness, they are also getting this amount of money from the government under this Assam Arogya Nidhi scheme. And one more interesting fact, that you are also getting free diagnostic investigations. So the free diagnostic investigations that you are getting under this Assam Arogya Nidhi schemes are, I will say some common investigations that it will be easy to understand for you, just like MRI, CT scan, ultrasound, then some TB medicines also you are getting under this scheme, and there are many more. So you can go to the government hospital, or you can also go to the private hospital where you will get this information. So this scheme will not only be benefited to those people who are suffering from those kind of life threatening diseases like heart disease, kidney disease, urinary diseases, or those kind of diseases, but also the people who got injured during any suppose they are working in some industries, and if they are getting injured there, and suppose someone had an accident and bomb blast, so those kind of people also, they will get the financial assistance from the government of Assam. And the good news is, in recently, it is on 11 May 2020, so they have modified this guideline of Assam Arogya Nidhi. And the modified guideline of Assam Arogya Nidhi, they told that before they have given 1.50 lakhs to the families, but nowadays it is given till 3 lakhs. That means the maximum benefit the families will get up to 3 lakhs. And one more interesting thing, that is a recent guideline says Assam Arogya Nidhi scheme will cover all families with annual income up to 5 lakhs, because before it was less than 10,000. Those families who are earning less than 10,000 per month, only they are getting this scheme, but nowadays it is not like that. So don't you think this is a very good information for all of us? I hope this video is very helpful for you, and you can also share this knowledge to your friends and family. You can also talk to your neighbors also. If anyone is having any kind of major diseases, you can pass this information to them. So I am leaving now. So before leaving, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you find my videos really useful, then give a thumbs up, because it motivates me to make more videos for you all. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and in Instagram handle I am giving on my description. You can go there and you can check. And till then, be healthy, be happy. Thank you so much.